If you've got kids or you're a kid at heart, this is super cool. So you have to come to deck 17 in order to get up here to the ocean loop, the water slide, and the sun deck, and even up to the Aqua racer. So we're gonna step outside. We came up the elevators. This is aft and 17. So we're gonna step outside and we'll go from there. This is the American Diner. Outside entrance. Kind of a cool place. And then you see the water slide over there, but we're gonna go up top. There's a sign right here, a little hard to see, for Speedway laser tag. So let's take a look and see how it's going up here. It may not be open, I don't know. So there's a weight limit. Okay, apparently I can't make that. Okay, Mario Karts on steroids. Here we go. Here comes some more. Okay, this is cool. So let's see if I can go up higher to get another better view. I'm gonna check this out as I come around again. There's the queue over there. There's viewing up here. Okay, I am totally impressed with Norwegian at this point. If you've got kids or you're a kid at heart, this is super cool. So this shows you how it goes. They how many laps everybody got, who does the best. It's incredible. See the guns up here, you can shoot them, reload them. Pretty crazy, but pretty cool. That's the water slide over there. I'm gonna get a little bit closer. This is just cool. This takes it to a whole new level. Okay, see the guy climbing in the thing over there. Now they're shutting the door, and I think the bottom drops out. So just watch. Over at the water slide. There he goes. Oh man. Okay, got to get a little closer. I'm gonna move over. All right, I'm not gonna go down another level. I'm gonna go straight back here. Check out the cool floor tile. Definitely gives you a Speedway feel. Here you go. Nice big picture of the Encore Speedway. Just cool. Man, I gotta say that was something to watch. So, laser tag back there. And if you look over here, there is the Carnival Horizon, which we saw in port yesterday. Alright, be right back. Okay, I'm going to show you a little bit of the water slide here. If you look right below me here, you can see a tube. That is the water slide. And it goes out. Oh man. Okay. That is crazy. I'm gonna get a better view. And there's another ship off there in the distance. You probably can't see it, but I think that's the Carnival Horizon is behind us. I think that's Oasis of the Seas, or maybe Wonder of the Seas. Okay, so I am standing directly below the water slide. Crazy. Goes up, around over that direction, back over this way, loops up again on the other side of the stairs where I had you before, and then back over and ends right where that crew member is standing there. So I'll see if I can get a better shot. And while I'm here, you can look forward. Here's the smokestacks. Again, the Encore Speedway right here. There's the pool area. It's a sea day, so it is fully in use. Just a nice, fun time for everybody. It is amazing. So there's the laser tag up there. There's the American Diner again. There's the water slide. So that's 2 decks up to the slide. So here's the pool area. Another water slide over here. Kids area more. So there they go. You can't. There's the water slide up there. Now this is a cover song. This is not the actual Queen, but I may have to do something to cover it up. I think I need to go get a virgin pina colada. What do you say?
other side over there.